babies? It's your girl Sugar and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm doing a mukbang. A mukbang. You gotta say a mukbang. And today I have a special guest. This is my friend Slick.
What's good?
Do you go by Slick?
I go by Slick.
Okay, great. Great. And go ahead and do your plug there.
Oh yeah, it's your boy Slick, aka Creator Slick. I am a local producer from Dallas. So if you need some beats, you know what I'm saying, holla at me. And shout out to S1 for this merch. You know what I'm saying? The pray, focus, plan, execute. You know what I'm saying? Y'all
I need
got
that. I really need that.
It's pretty fire. You know what I'm saying? But
yeah, so we're gonna do Zaxby. If y'all never heard of them, it's okay because this is first time trying it. This is my second time. No, not second. I lied. I had this a couple times. They pretty lit.
it's pretty fire.
It's fine.
Alright, bet. That's a bet.
That's not mine, Slick. I got the 4-strip combo.
You got the same thing?
We got the same thing. I just got 2 toasts.
Oh, that could be a thumbnail right there. Hey.
Yeah, I got 2 toasts. He got 1. And it come with the fries.
Coleslaw, which I do not eat.
I mean, who eats coleslaw? Like, comment down below if you eat coleslaw, cause
I don't eat coleslaw. It's pretty gross.
taste it. It's hot. Do you eat hot?
It
It really stinks.
does
Like,
stink. I'm good.
what is it? What comes in the coleslaw?
I know it's mayonnaise and lettuce and
Oh
cabbage.
no, it's cool. We good on it.
I'm good on that.
We're
So we
good
got
on
some
it.
coleslaw.
So I think you could. No, you can't substitute this. If you've ever had Cane's, you can substitute.
I get the double fries.
And I get no slaw, extra toast. But you can't do that at Zaxby. So yeah.
Got some strips, fries. Is it seasoning on the fries?
Yeah, it looks like it's a little seasoning. It
Okay.
ain't much of seasoning, but
Something like some Zax sauce. We gonna see.
the sauce. That sauce is good. It looks like cane sauce.
It do look like cane sauce.
I just feel like there's packaging on it.
That season pretty fire. I like it.
I don't think I'm a fan of the thick fries.
I like the seasoning though. That's cool.
Yeah. I'm cool.
So today, what we talking about?
Our topic is gonna be
That's good.
dating in 2018. So, as I told y'all in my getting to know me, I'm single. So, you know, I've been playing this dating game for a minute. And my friend Slick here, he's single. Y'all, you know when dudes get they haircut,
You know what I'm
they
saying?
untouchable.
Fresh fade.
Do y'all see me struggling opening this?
Yeah.
I've been trying to open it since you asked the topic. Okay, there it is. There it is. Money. But yeah. So I think we got room to talk on this subject. So
How do you know? What's the difference between like talking and like dating in 2018? Because you can kind of like blur the lines a little bit. You really don't know.
I don't know.
I feel like talking is like.
Pause.
What's up?
Maybe because I ain't had it in a minute, but these chicken strips, they fire.
It is fire.
They hit.
It was better than Cane's.
It's hard because I like the crunchiness of Cane's better. Like this one ain't as crunchy, you know. Like Cane's, you bite it, you gonna hear that.
And it's gonna be hot too. I mean, it's still hot. We was in the car for like 30 minutes. But Cane's, every time I had Cane's, it was like, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
you got.
You burn your mouth a little bit. So,
You like that bread?
the bread is cool. It ain't better than Cane's though.
I'm a fan of the Texas toast.
Shout out to Cane's.
A plug. No, Cane's bread is. I always said I was gonna get my wedding catered, and it's gonna be Cane's. But yeah, so back to dating and talking. Like, what's the difference? Because I feel like if we talking, we exclusive, and if we dating, we exclusive. So why we start out in the talking phase? And
I
then
feel
go
like
to the dating phase.
because like talking is like getting to know somebody. You know what I'm saying? Like you're getting to know them. So after a while, if y'all been talking for like 4, 5, 6 months, yeah, y'all could get exclusive. But if you just talking to somebody, y'all just start talking. I'm not about to be exclusive with nobody that I've been talking to for like 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? Now if we dating, if we decide like, okay, we gonna start dating, then yeah, we exclusive. You know what I'm saying?
But what cuts that out? Because I could be talking to you and we could be getting to know each other phase, and that could take forever. So when is the talking phase over?
Whenever y'all decide it's over, it's like between y'all.
So it has to just be like a mutual contract. All right.
Yeah.
All right, my nigga, we dating.
You know what I'm saying? Because y'all start catching feelings for each other. You know what I'm saying? You gotta feel each other out. So if y'all vibing, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that.
See, this is what's wrong with this generation, because I could be feeling you, but you not feeling me, but we could still be talking, and you talking to this little chicken head over here.
Right.
And now my feelings all in the mix. But you ain't told me you don't have feelings for me.
Mm-hmm.
So.
See, people like to waste time. I realize that. People will waste your time. So, it's important to ask questions. You know what I'm saying? You gotta ask questions.
You smart. You loyal.
You know what I'm saying? Because you gotta see if y'all on the same page. You know what I'm saying? You can't be over here at an 8, this person over here at a 2. It just don't work like that.
I get it.
This chicken fire.
It is. I feel like on a scale, everything in Cane's is better though.
It is.
Like their fries are too thick.
This seasoning sauce though,
Cause Cane's don't season their fries like
don't.
this.
The sauce is very similar.
I think it is. Cane's just make theirs in house.
How would you describe
This is
this sauce? Like, is it like
It's thicker. It's like
what does it taste like?
cane sauce.
Like cane sauce, yeah. There you go.
It tastes like.
If you ain't got a Cane's near you, I feel sorry for you because
It's okay. If you ain't got one, y'all can come here and we can go to Cane's together. Cause I can eat Cane's breakfast, lunch, dinner.
yep.
You need a snack? Get a
Cane's.
snack. Get Cane's.
Cane's. Hey, that lemonade good too. It tastes like sugar water.
That's sugar water. I don't drink lemonade. Funny story. You wanna hear this funny story? Did I ever tell you I don't drink lemonade?
What happened?
If y'all watching, all my cousins know why I don't drink lemonade. Because we used to always go to my granny house in the summer, and they used to sit us outside with a pitcher of lemonade, the water hose, and each other.
Oh no. They put the water hose water.
The water hose. We couldn't even get no real water. We had the water hose.
Bruh, no.
So they used to be like, if y'all come in, you gotta stay in, or everybody gotta come in. Well, you see me out there with lemonade and water, and you think I ain't gotta pee?
Come on now.
So I used to always go in the house. Well, then when I go in the house, all the cousins used to have to go in the house, and we used to have to stay in the house. So initially it would be my fault. So when I got older, I started drinking lemonade, and lemonade just make me hot. Like anytime I take a sip, like I get a little sweat on my nose, and it's just I can't drink lemonade. I think I'm like allergic to lemonade. It's like that heat concept, being outside with the lemonade.
I
The
feel
heat.
you got PTSD when you drink lemonade. I feel you.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I feel you.
I'm dead, okay? Dead. Well, I feel like we was on the subject. We don't jump around like that.
I really hope y'all can see this food. It was so good.
He killed his. I'm still eating.
I was hungry.
I was hungry too. No, I think the appetizer. The appetizer got me. I'm gonna still fuck it up though. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Where's the book at? on point.
We do.
What were we talking about? We did that.
Relationships in 2018.
We talked about the talking stage.
So let's talk about relationships.
What about it?
It's hard to have one in 2018 because you got social media.
You think so?
I mean,
If anything, I feel like that should make it easier. You have all these sources of communication.
it's bittersweet because like you do have more communication, you're able to reach more people, but then like you're able to reach more people, so it's easier to like
Cheat.
exactly. And you know what I'm saying? I'm not the type to go through somebody's phone, but you know what I'm saying? You got your girl or whoever, people are insecure. They don't go through your Snapchat and
Yeah.
Instagram and all that.
I feel that, but I feel like if you date and you really there for that person, like, I feel like communication is a big deal.
It definitely is.
Like, and if you're not happy in that relationship, just communicate with that person. Tell them what you don't like.
Yeah.
Tell them what you do like. And then I'll be negative, but tell them what you do like. Tell them what you don't like, and that makes it easier for somebody to be receptive, like, towards it. Like, and then that way, like, if you're gonna step out or if you feel like it's not working, I know ahead of time rather than looking stupid. Like, damn, I thought everything was okay.
You thought everything was cool, and then they just like, yeah, I'm really not feeling this.
Exactly. I mean, I get what you're saying though. It is hard, and at the end of the day, I feel like everybody cheats.
You think everybody cheat?
I think everybody cheats.
I don't think so.
Minus me.
I don't cheat.
I'm a good girl. But
Light skinned niggas don't cheat. Facts.
they be the ones out here sneaking and geeking. Nah. He a nice, wholesome young man. He may not cheat.
I don't cheat.
But some of y'all other little bald-headed, fresh haircut, having little boys, y'all cheat.
That's funny.
I feel like every man cheat.
Everybody don't want to be a savage. Like, it's cool to be a savage. That's not cool, bro.
It's not. You gotta have love. I don't know. How you know when you're ready for a relationship?
Oh, that's a great question. I think you know when you're ready, when you're feeling the person, and you feel like you have something to give them, and they have something to give you, and that y'all gotta understand it, and you can make it work. Because it's plenty of people who in relationships is not necessarily ready. You just gotta sometimes take that.
But like, what if I'm single and I ain't met a dude yet? But I think I'm ready. Like, how you know for sure? Like, you ready and you scared to date?
Once you let that hurt go, you gotta let that hurt go, sis.
You gotta let that hurt go, sis.
You know what I'm saying? Once you let it go, you good to go. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, like, we young, so it's like you gotta like focus on yourself. I think the best relationships come when you focus on yourself, and then like they just come. You know what I'm saying? Because you like attracting them. You know what I'm saying?
That's hard to believe though. Like, remember, I was real focused on myself. It's about a year ago. I was real focused on me, getting my life together. I had just became a manager at Walmart. And like, this dude came along. And I was like, okay, guys, I see you. I see you showing out. Yeah. He was the most.
Was it F-boy?
Yes. Like, and it was crazy because I was like, okay, like, we was real consistent. Yeah, I was like, okay.
Yeah.
Boy, was I wrong.
Sorry.
Boy, was I wrong. I let that hurt go. Yeah, I was like, you know what? I'm going to just focus on me again because that's how you know it wasn't God, though. That was just the devil trying to sneak somebody in. That was a curveball.
Facts.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? So you can like notice the signs, just cut it off. You know what I'm saying? Off rip. Because people will try to play you.
Yes.
But
they will.
you can't play me. You only play yourself.
Just without. I'm gonna make you feel real bad. Cause ain't no coming back. Once you lose me, I'm gone.
I'm gonna blow up.
Boss up. Grow
Boss
up.
up. Get my bands up.
How long you been single?
Oh, about a year now. A little bit over a year.
You feel like you ready for something new?
I feel like I'm ready, but I'm focused on me right now. Just getting my guap. Like, I got goals I'm trying to hit. Cause like females, they always gonna be there.
Mm-hmm.
Like always.
This is
So
true.
what's the rush? Like, if it come along, cool. Like, I'm straight. I'm headed to that bag. I gotta get that bag first.
What's important to you? What's important to you in a relationship? Like in a female, like all that.
So you gotta have a fat booty. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I gotta have, man, really just like, we gotta vibe, that vibe. You know what I'm saying? We gotta vibe and we gotta have an understanding, like, we gotta be here with it. Like, communication and trust is like crucial. If we don't have that, we ain't got nothing.
You ain't got nothing.
What about you?
This about to sound real cliche, like, but I just want somebody like as God driven as me, because I feel like that's really where it starts off at. You know,
Man,
like
for real.
in a relationship, it's not just you and that person; it's you, that person, and God. Because that's the strongest bond you have. Like the love that you have for yourself and the Lord, like that's the kind of love you want to give to your significant other. So I want that person to be as into the Lord as I am.
Man, for real.
So.
Amen.
Like I said, real cliche, like, but you know, it's
I definitely agree, because if y'all don't have that in your relationship, how y'all gonna get through it with tough times?
right,
You're not gonna be able to.
right. I'm so full.
Man, I ate all my chicken.
That chicken strip.
I'll take like half of it. I don't want no whole chicken. I don't even know how long we've been talking.
I'm about to go look.
Talking about like 15 minutes.
15?
Maybe.
You been eating that long? Well, let's talk about this YouTube beef.
You talking about DDG?
Yep.
Man, hey. I went to DDG concert here in Dallas a couple months ago. Shout out to that nigga DDG, man. I see you out here grinding, bro. You know what I'm saying? Now,
Now let's talk about it. Can we talk about it?
let's get into it.
So, if anybody like watch a lot of YouTube, y'all know it's this whole beef on YouTube going on with the crew, McQueen, like
Poudii.
DDG, Poudii.
Young Poudii P.
Poudii, how are you beefing with somebody? Like, all you do is wear your little headscarf.
Did you see what Poudii did to DDG Benz, his G-Wagon? Man, he did like silly string all over it. He wrote on it.
Poudii,
Like, man,
Poudii, you a precious little angel.
yeah, Poudii wildin'. Shout out to Young Poudii P, man. Shout out to him.
But is it real?
Man, you know what? I don't know. I feel like it started off real with like the whole Flight McQueen thing, but now it's just like, I think they're trolling at this point. You know what I'm saying? They gotta be trolling. You know what I'm saying? But whether it's real or not, good job, cause y'all niggas.
Good job. Y'all making y'all money. 5 videos a day. Y'all keeping me entertained.
Y'all niggas
Okay?
is entertaining, bro.
Y'all are keeping me
For
entertained.
real,
I am messing with it. Let me tell y'all about this food. Before we go. Zaxbys,
Scale of 1 to 10.
I'm gonna have to give y'all a strong 6.
See, I'm gonna say 7. See, I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna give you a 70.
I'm gonna give you a 6 because the fries too thick. The bread real good. It's real butter. But I don't know, the sauce is too thick, like just everything. Like y'all, it's too thick.
See, if if I never had canes before, this probably would have got like an 8. But I didn't had canes before. And canes is like a 9 out of 10 to me. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty much a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's a 10 out of 10.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all are catering my wedding canes.
So you can't really be canes to be honest.
But good try.
Good try. You know what I'm saying? Clap it up.
That's about it.
I would eat Zaxby's again. I would. It's not too bad.
I mean, I would too, because like I said, I've had it before. Comment down below what y'all think we should eat. Don't say In-N-Out, because...
And don't say crab legs, because everybody...
And everybody is doing crab legs. We gotta be original.
Come on, man.
We don't want no crab legs. But yeah, comment down below and... Subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I was about to say to this video, to this channel. And we will see y'all next time.